Do you want your jewelry to be designed by yourself? Step into Three Star Gold Company.
Namaskar and welcome to today's Asli Kahani. June 16th, Mumbai. 28-year-old Sonelal Prasad left home for work at a construction site in Malad. As rain pounded the city, the foundation pit he was working in collapsed. By the time help arrived, Sonelal was already gone, buried alive beneath the concrete and mud. No alarms, no alerts, no headlines. Another preventable death in India's rapidly expanding and poorly regulated urban spaces. Not long after, flash floods and landslides ripped through Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Since mid-June, Himachal Pradesh has reported 23 flash floods, 19 cloudbursts and 16 landslides. Over 78 people lost their lives. Roads, bridges, homes washed away in minutes. From construction sites in metros to villages in the hills, the message is the same. We are unprepared and the climate crisis is no longer distant. It's here. According to the World Meteorological Organization, Asia is warming nearly twice as fast as the global average. In India, cities are heating faster than rural areas, with urbanization directly responsible for nearly 40% of that. Between May 25th and 27, Mumbai recorded 67,000% more rain than the average. That's not an anomaly. It's a system failure where growth has outpaced governance. India's growth has come at a cost. Green cover is shrinking, wetlands are vanishing, cities are expanding into floodplains. When extreme rain hits concrete, it floods. When heat rises, there's no natural canopy to protect us. We have replaced nature's defenses with concrete and we are paying the price. This isn't just poor planning, it's structural, widespread and dangerous. And when we look at it in a broader scale, India is not alone. In Brazil, landslides buried entire neighborhoods. In Libya, thousands died after floods breached neglected dams. The US is battling record-breaking heat waves and wildfires. Europe is drowning under deadly floods and facing extreme summers. Around the world, climate disasters are getting worse. But what turns weather into tragedy? Poor infrastructure, unplanned growth, and policy paralysis. Cities can't keep growing like this. We need regulated construction, restored green zones, and disaster-ready planning. Cities like Ahmedabad have implemented heat action plans to protect lives. Other cities must follow with urgency because the next Sonelal, the next landslide, and the next collapse might not be far off. Sonelal died in a construction pit. Families in Himachal died in their own homes. Different geographies and same crisis. Urban India must act not after the disaster but before. Wrapping up, we welcome you to the universe of Asli Kahani, where stories aren't told for views but for change. Like, share and subscribe to support journalism that slows down, digs deep and doesn't talk over you. Drop your thoughts in the comments and let us know what you think. We'll be back shortly. Until then, be smart, be alert, be aware. And most importantly, be Asli.
Do you need money to take your pledge jewel from another place? And do you need to take your pledge jewel from the largest interest and pledge it in the smallest interest? Do you want your jewelry to be designed by yourself? Three Star Gold Company, your life cherish.